Alright, beauties, as I promised, I have something for you guys. And I have a beauty box by IVYBEAUTY, and it has some nice things in it. So I'm going to show you guys that, and let's get into the video. I wonder what's inside. It's very light. Let me get my cutter. Alright, so I received this from IVYBEAUTY. We're excited to try out some of our products. We hope you enjoy them and find them useful in all your future adventures. Showing up your IVYBEAUTY lashes at IVYBEAUTY lashes_official. Oh, wow. Look at these guys. I'm so excited. Like, sorry, my sinus is draining in my throat, my nose and my throat. These are the new lash extensions. These are the size medium, and then they have the size large, and they're really dark, like these. And then they have the shorts. And they have one that's a little bit lighter. It's open. And they have the long. You guys can see it. And they also have another short one. And they also have a medium. So I received, let me see, 2, 4, 7. And they also sent me 2 lash glues. Thank you, IVYBEAUTY, so I won't lose one. So I have, this is their new line of glue. This is mostly clear, if you guys can see. And they also have a dark. I am so excited. Okay, so this one says gentle formula with soothing oats. Is that waterproof, no harsh odor. Now I'm really excited to get into it. So this is going to be my first time doing this with me unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and try on these individual lashes for you guys. And I hope I don't struggle because I haven't did individuals in a minute now. Thanks since last year in the summer. So I just been wearing strips, so don't judge me. So let's get into that, and I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove these beauties off. Goodbye. It was nice knowing you guys, but I'm gonna put you guys here, so just in case I need you guys for backup if I can't get these lashes on. So okay, so we're gonna start off with the long lash. I'm gonna do medium and long. Alright, so we done opened the box. So these are the lashes. They're really dark. Get the vision. And I kept my tweezer from IVYBEAUTY last time, so I'm happy about that. And this is the glue. It says no odor. So it's a little light smell, but it's not as bad. So I'm gonna pour my glue in there. And this is the lash, and I'm gonna dip it. So don't laugh. It's not sticking. Probably need some mascara. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. Shawna, you got this. Don't panic. It's not sticking, you guys. Ah. Ooh. I got it. You guys, I got it. Okay. Thank you, lady. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, we're gonna do another one. Hey, wait a minute. And I have some extra glue, regular glue, and I'm gonna apply. To make it stay, if I can. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna do it again, guys. Ooh, we got it. I'm gonna come back and we'll do the rest of this side. And I have the small one here. Oops, dang it. Whew, okay, I almost finished. I'm getting the hang of it. It's been a while, so don't laugh at me. Because I'm used to strips, so. Okay. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'm probably going to do halfway in there, and then I'll do the rest, and then I'll tell you guys how I like the lashes. I'll be right back. Okay. I've been practicing, you guys, so this is it. I'm going to give you guys my final review. Ooh. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, what do you guys think? Oh, it failed. Okay, well, let's put another one back on. Hold on. Okay guys, tell me what you guys think. Still. Oh, it's still trying to come down. Alright, I hope you guys do like the lashes. They look very natural. So I want to say that I enjoyed doing this video. I had a trial and error, but that's the real deal. I'm not going to hide anything from you guys. And I like these lashes. These are the 50D extension. This is their new lashes, salon quality results, KPE X number 10. And then they also have the medium. That was the long KPE X06 medium. So I hope you guys did enjoy my content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to do more beauty tips and tricks with you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed my INV Beauty Box collection. And can't wait to do more with you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching Transformation, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my unboxing of INVBEAUTY Ambassador Box. I had a really good time, especially me trying on these individual lashes, trial and error, but I did get it on right. So I really do like the lashes, and I also love the glue. The glue is not strong, and it just went very well. So I just had to get used to putting on lashes. But as you guys see, it look very natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get up the views and watch hours. And I want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.